A tiny house off the beaten path on a horse farm. Man Estate Boarding and Osborne International Dressage are the horse companies that occupy the farm. You'll be steps away from pastures with running horses and beautiful view of a pond on the property. The host will be on site in a farmhouse up the road, just in case you need anything. Take a step away and relax for a couple days. Though you will be able to enjoy the horses from afar, guests are not allowed in the barn or near the horses. The space. This is a working horse farm, but your area is tucked away, so you won't be disturbed during your stay. The area has a fence with a code which will be given to you shortly before check-in. There are restaurants and stores within 10 miles of the tiny house. The tiny house also comes equipped with a screened-in deck to enjoy the views.